guys, today for a change, instead of listening to videos, I want the videos to be educational. Some videos be educational instead of just fun. This should be fun. Education is learning and learning is fun, okay? So I'm going to be showing you some math problems, division, stuff like that. And because I just started to go back and then I had this idea in my head while I was in school. I was like, wow, I can just do this. So fun. So what I'm going to do is just math problems and see what they're showing you. So let's see. So we're going to start with addition. Three addition facts. One, super easy. Second, medium. Third, going to be super hard. Okay? So I'm going to try to challenge myself. So I'm reading from the paper right here. Because my mom's doing stuff for me. So this is easy. 10 plus 30. That is 40. So 40 equals 50. 10 plus 40 equals 50. It's easy. We know that. And then the second one, 300 plus a million. Wait, it's just a million. What am I saying? So it'd be 1,300,000. I'm guessing. That's my brother. He's being silly, like he always is. So I kind of ran out of room, but that's fine. As you can see here, it's 1,300,000. I just had to squeeze that 300 in. Okay. So now, since we're done with that, we are gonna do some harder problems I'm making up. One more hard problem. Okay, here we go. She did it on another page, so kind of. $5,000 plus 300 million. I do not know. Wait, I can try to work it out though. 5,000 plus 300 million. 100 million. 5,000 plus 300 million is what this is right here. I'm really scared. Okay. Okay, I got this. So I'm guessing maybe, I think it might be actually, since this is actually not that hard. Oh wait, maybe I'm just gonna do this. Okay, wait. Do that and then 500. 0, 0, 5. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 3. Oh, so it's 3,500,000. Oh, I get it now. So equals 3,300,500. That's easy. Okay. Now that we're done with that, now we're going to do some division, which is my favorite. I have to find a clean page. So now I'm gonna make up the division problems. We're only gonna do one division and one multiply, and then we're gonna be done. But it's gonna be really fun. So okay. Let's get here. Okay, so 100 divided by 5. So I would draw 5 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For those of you who do not know how to do division, you draw 5 circles. And then you just put 1 in each circle until you got to 100. So like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 right now. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See, there's 2 in each right now. And you just keep going until you go to 100. So let me keep doing that. 3. Okay guys, so I found out that the answer is 20. I already knew that, but for those of you who didn't, all you have to do is put 1 in each square and keep going and going and going and going and going until you get to 100, or whatever your number is. And if it's 20, you keep going until you get 20, or if it's something like that. But division is always equal. It's something you have to learn. Division is my favorite subject. Excuse me. Division is my favorite thing in math. Multiplying is kind of hard for me, so I'm working at it. And I'm trying to do Excel at home because someone told me that you could, so. And I just haven't had time yet, but there's a lot of ways to improve, and sometimes I learned yesterday that sometimes you can go through a dip, and what a dip is, sometimes, like, it's not going to be like this. You're not just going to glide like that. Because everything. You're not just going to be an expert at everything, okay? You don't, like, people who are 5 years old, for example. I'm not saying you're dumb. I'm just saying that you are learning because you entered school when you're 5, right? So you're learning. You went to kindergarten, you went to preschool, you're having so much fun learning there. You learn by playing, which is my favorite thing, okay? Just so you know. And then when you go to kindergarten, it gets harder because you actually are learning. You're doing math, you're learning your numbers, how to count. It's just so cool. And so I did this video for those of you who don't know how to do division. For those of you in 2nd grade, I don't think you learned. I did not learn division when I was in 2nd grade. I did not learn multiplying when I was in 2nd grade. I did not learn any of that stuff when I was in 2nd grade. In 3rd grade, I learned that stuff. But, so for those of you in 2nd grade, now you have a head start if you watch this video. So, now you know how to do division. I really, really love division, but right now, we are going to be multiplying. Sorry if I made you think it was the end of the video, but I got off topic, okay? Here's what the dip is, okay? You're going to have hills, okay? And sometimes you're going to be stuck. Like, you're going to be like, oh, whoa, cool, and then you're going to be stuck between 2 big hills. One big hill and one really small hill. The small hill is something you've already accomplished. The big hill is something much harder. Like, I went through the dip when I was in 3rd grade. I was stuck on multiplying. I didn't really know how to multiply. I was like, oh my god, I don't get this. How am I ever going to do this? I'm just going to give up. But that's not the answer. If you give up, you're never going to learn anything. There's going to be hard times, and there's going to be super easy times, like division for me. It was so easy. I was like, oh, I got this. So that would be my small hill. My big hill would be multiplying. I need to work on multiplying. Even though I'm in 4th grade, I still need to work on it. So, here is multiplying for you. So I'm going to I'm going to challenge myself. So 11 times 11, for those of you who don't know, it's just doubled. So like 11 times 22 would just be double that. So 33. Then 33 times 11, 44. 44 times 11, 55. 55. You get the thing. Okay, it's just double that number. But so that is and then the tens trick is anytime things times 10, like 10 times 10 is 100. 10 times 40 is 10 times 4 is 40. because like it's just like that. It's really easy. And then there's a trick for the 9s. I just forgot it. You can do the trick on your fingers. And the trick for 5s and the 2s, I got the 5s and the 2s and the 1s and the 0s down. But I have to work on my 3s, my 4s, my 6s. There's some things I need to work on. So how about I do 6 times 3? Okay, here's a strategy. You can draw circles. I'm gonna draw 6 circles. And then put 3 in them. It's kind of like division, but instead you're not just putting 1 in each. You have to put 3 in each. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then that's 6. I know that. 6 times 6, 12, 12. And then, wait, 3, 6, 12, 13, 18. So 6 times 3 is 18. And there's also a trick for something. 8 times 8, I know that one. It's 64. Remember this rhyme. 8 got sick on the floor. 8 times 8 is 64. It's a rhyme to help me remember what 8 times 8 is. So you know 8 times 8 is 64. And then I know now that 6 times 3 is 18. So I'll remember that. Sometimes you have to memorize. I memorize a lot of things, but division's not one of them. I memorize some things, multiplying, but not all of them. So if you ever go through the dip, everyone goes through it. I learned that. Everyone goes through it. Everyone. No, it's not just like, no one is perfect, people. You all make mistakes. Everyone in the world. Grown-ups make mistakes. I make mistakes. Kids make mistakes. Old people make mistakes. Sorry, didn't mean to be offensive. People make mistakes. That's the point. All people. Even if you think, oh, I'm so perfect. I don't make any mistakes. I'm amazing. I never make a mistake. You do. Surprise. Everyone makes mistakes. You're not just going to glide through it. You have to go with them. Your small hill's so easy. You already passed that. I'm good. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I know division. Multiplying. Uh-oh. Wait, what? I can't go up still. I keep falling down it. I'm learning. Everyone is. You don't know everything in the world, people. And thank you so much for watching this video. My first video about math and the dip. So if you want to learn more about the dip, I'm going to make a video about it. So, for those of you who think that I'm never going to make this, I'm never going to do it, it's not true. If you keep trying and practicing, it will work. And you can go to Google and search IXL, and IXL is something that will help you. So, for kindergarten math, kindergarten, you guys, you can go on IXL if that helps too. So thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe down below. Goodbye.